Now there are two sides to a negative. There's an emulsion side and a non-emulsion side. And this is an extremely important part of understanding printing in a darkroom, just understanding analog photography. So if I have my negative and there's some dirt or some hair on my, basically on it, what I want to do sometimes, I try to avoid doing this, but if I have to, I will. So I just use some liquid film cleaner. Most of these film cleaners are isopropyl alcohol based. So you can kind of cheat sometimes by just buying isopropyl alcohol, or you can spend the extra dollars and just get the film cleaner. I like the normal film cleaner a little bit better than the isopropyl alcohol. And what I basically do is just spray a little bit, just a little bit, on the non-emulsion side. I don't want to touch the emulsion side with my bare hands, or really with anything. And then I look and see where my dust is, and on this image, it was on this woman's gown. And I use a little Q-tip, and I lightly move whatever I'm trying to get rid of off, extremely gently. I'm using my gloved hand to hold the negative, and I look, and once it's off, I know I'm ready to print.